Ever notice how some people just seem to magnetically attract success? Jobs, opportunities, promotions, even lucky breaks, they get it all. Meanwhile, you're grinding, hustling, and still feel stuck. The difference? Their mindset. Today, you'll learn how to turn your mind into a success magnet. The one thing school never taught you, but every high achiever swears by. Step 1. Recognize your current mindset. First, notice how you talk to yourself. Are you saying, I can't do this, or I'll never get ahead? Write it down. Everyone has self-talk, but most people let it run wild. Recognizing it is the first step to taking control. Stuck in traffic? Frustrated with your boss? The way you think in these moments shapes your day. Shift your thoughts, and your day shifts too. Step 2. Reframe challenges as opportunities. Instead of thinking, I failed, say, I learned what doesn't work. Every setback is a stepping stone, not a roadblock. Bomb a presentation at work? Perfect. Now you know exactly what to improve for next time. The people who succeed treat failure like free coaching. Step 3. Surround yourself with winners. Your network influences your mindset. Negative people drain your energy. Positive, ambitious people raise your standards without even trying. Join a local sports league, mastermind group, or even a motivational online community. Their energy rubs off, and your mind starts thinking bigger. Step 4. Visualize your success. Daily. See it, believe it, then achieve it. Picture yourself getting that raise, landing that client, nailing that pitch. Imagine walking into a meeting with confidence, shaking hands firmly, knowing you're ready. Your brain starts rehearsing it as if it's real, and soon your actions match your vision. Step 5. Take action in small steps. Big goals overwhelm your mind. Shrink them. One email, one call, one task at a time. Momentum builds confidence, and confidence attracts opportunity. Want a promotion? Start by updating your resume, then reaching out to mentors, then volunteering for a project. Each small win compounds. Step 6. Replace limiting beliefs with power statements. Every time you catch yourself thinking, I can't, replace it with, I can figure this out. Words shape your reality. Before a presentation, I can figure this out. Before networking, I can connect with anyone. Watch your mindset shift instantly. Step 7. Commit to consistency, not motivation. Motivation is fleeting. Action builds results. Show up every day, even when tired, bored, or distracted. Your brain starts associating effort with achievement, and your mind magnetizes success naturally. Writing 1 page a day, making 1 cold call, learning 1 skill. Tiny steps consistently repeated yield massive results. Step 8. Reflect and adjust. At the end of each week, review what worked and what didn't. Celebrate wins, learn from mistakes. Reflection strengthens mindset and keeps it aligned with your goals. Failed to meet a target? Adjust your strategy. Nailed a client pitch? Analyze what went right to repeat it next time. Step 9. Take care of your mind and body. Energy drives mindset. Sleep, exercise, nutrition, and meditation aren't optional. They're your success fuel. A tired mind attracts obstacles. A sharp mind attracts opportunities. Morning workout, midday walk, or even a 10-minute breathing session. It's small, but it sets your mind in success mode all day. Step 10. Start today, not tomorrow. Your mindset becomes a success magnet only when you act. One small decision today compounds into huge results tomorrow. Stack your wins. Replace doubt with action. Replace fear with belief. Make 1 call. Pitch 1 idea. Start 1 project. Today, not next week. If you want more strategies to upgrade your mindset, attract opportunities, and level up your life, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. We break down science-backed strategies that help thousands of Americans succeed. Don't miss out.